Hello, welcome to our early years music assembly. Today we're listening to a piece of music by Ravel. It's all about fairy tale princesses living in castles in Spain hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Ravel didn't live hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He was actually just born 100 years before I was, so he could have been my grandfather. But he wanted to write a piece of music that made people think about princesses and castles, and so he chose a piece of music called a Pavane, which was a slow dance, danced hundreds and hundreds of years ago in Spain. It's very gentle, isn't it? It's very peaceful. I'm going to use some coloured pencils today. For me, this piece of music doesn't sound like princesses. It sounds like sitting by a river and watching the clouds float by overhead. So I think that's what I'm going to try and draw. Here we go. Pencil head's dropped out. I'll have to use a different colour. Well, there we are. I've drawn myself a picture of somebody sitting by the river watching the clouds go by, because that's what the music made me feel. But it might make you feel something completely different. It might make you think of castles and princesses, maybe even of dragons. I don't know. You're listening to the music, and it's your imagination and your drawing. Have a go. See what you draw when you listen to Ravel's Pavane. See you next time.